How do we solve this nice equation? S squared minus s cubed equal to 80. How do we solve for x? We have s squared minus s cubed. Let's move 80 to the left side. That will be minus 80 equal to 0. This means that s squared minus s cubed minus 80 could be written as 16 plus 64 equal to 0. Let's proceed further. This means that s squared minus s cubed minus times 16, that is minus 16, minus times plus 64, that is minus 64 equal to 0. Let's proceed further. This means that s squared minus s cubed minus 16 could be written as 4 square minus 64 could be written as 4 to the power of 3 equal to 0. Let's proceed further. This means that let us rearrange this equation. So that will be s square minus 4 square minus s cube minus 4 cube equal to 0. Let's continue. We can put these guys in brackets. That will be s square minus 4 square. Now, consider these two guys. We can factor out minus 1. So we have minus into s cube plus 4 cube equal to 0. That is minus times s cube, we have minus s cube. Minus times plus 4 cube, we have minus 4 cube. Let's proceed further. At this stage, we have to recall beautiful very beautiful properties. The first one is a square minus b square. This could be written as a minus b times a plus b. The second property is the sum of two cubes, a cube plus b cube. This could be written as a plus b times a square minus ab plus b. Take note of these two properties, very important. Now, we apply each of these properties to this guy. Consider this first property, a square minus b square. If we apply it to this guy, we are going to have x minus 4 times x plus 4. That is, our a is x and b is 4, minus, applying this second property to this guy, we are going to have x plus 4 times, that is, our a is x and our b is 4. Plugging it here, we have, that will be s square ab, that is x times 4, which is just minus 4x, plus b, our b is 4. Sorry, this is b square. This will be b square. So that will be 4 square, which is just 16. Everything equal to 0. Let's proceed further. What do you notice here? You will notice that x plus 4 is common. That means we can factor it out. So we're going to have x plus 4 into x minus 4 minus this guy, s square minus 4x plus 16, close the bracket, equal to 0. Let's proceed further. So x plus 4 times x minus 4 minus times s squared, that is minus s squared, minus times minus, that is plus 4x, minus times plus 16, that is minus 16, equal to 0. Let's proceed further. So we have x plus 4 times x plus 4x, that is 5x, minus 4 minus 16, that is minus 20. We are left with minus s squared equal to 0. Let's proceed further. This means that x plus 4 times, we can rewrite this equation as minus s squared plus 5x minus 20 equal to 0. Let's proceed further. This implies that x plus 4 is either equal to 0 or minus s squared plus 5x minus 20 is equal to 0. Clearly, from this line, x is equal to minus 4. This is the first solution. X equals to minus 4. Now, let us consider this quadratic equation. If we multiply each of them, both sides by minus 1, we have s squared minus 5x plus 20 equal to 0. Let us now solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula. So we have s squared minus 5x plus 20 equals 0. What does the quadratic formula says? The quadratic formula says x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. From this equation, our a is equals to 1 and b is equals to minus 5 and c is equals to 20. Let's continue. X equal to, we will now plug in each value of a and b and c into this right hand side. So we have minus, what is b? B is negative 5, minus 5 plus or minus square root of b squared, that will be minus 5 all squared minus 4 times, what is a? A is 1 times, what is c? C is 20. Everything divided by 2 times a. The value of a is 1. So we have 1 here. So x equal to minus times minus 5, that is 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 all square, that is 25, minus 4 times 1 times 20, that is 80, divided by 2 times 1, that is simply 2. X equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 80. If you plug in your calculator, that is minus 55 divided by 2. Let's proceed further. X is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of minus 55 could be written as square root of negative 1 times square root of 55 divided by 2. X is equal to 5 plus or minus. Don't forget, from the complex number, square root of minus 1 is simply I. So we have I times square root of 55 divided by 2. This means that x is equal to 5. Consider the negative sign, that is plus I times root 55 divided by 2, or x is equal to 5 Consider the negative sign. So we have minus I times root 55 divided by 2. You will see that we have two complex solutions, this guy and this, and just only one real solution, which is s equals to -4. For this cubic equation, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for joining this live section. See you in the next video.